Welcome back to the Golden Elite channel. Today we'll be looking at the shower accessory sets exclusively available at Golden Elite. We'll be looking at all the different characteristics as well as all the different finishings possible. So let's go check it out. Today let's explore our exceptional collection of shower sets designed to meet all your expectations. Our collection comes in 5 stunning finishes: black and chrome, chrome, white and chrome, brushed nickel, and matte black. Our shower sets are equipped with a thermostatic system. Thanks to this advanced technology, the temperature of your shower remains constant even when other faucets are being used in the house. We offer a variety of models to satisfy all tastes and styles of decor. Whether you prefer a minimalist, modern, or traditional design, you'll find the perfect shower for your bathroom. Our shower sets are easy to clean thanks to specially selected materials that resist stains and limescale deposits. Additionally, the soft rubber nozzles on our showers make it easy to remove calcium and limescale, ensuring optimal performance and increased longevity. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more inspiration with Golden Elite Deco.